This customer brought us this vehicle. It's had a fairly crude boarding before, with curtains at the back. Now obviously the customer wants to have an acrylic splashback with Vanshades Window Pods. Hi everyone, this is Pete from Vanshades. What I thought we'd do today is tell you how to install a splashback. So, very popular product from ourselves. So I brought Joe along with me, and you'll see just how easy it is to install a splashback. So you'll unpack your splashback and it'll look just like this. Joe's going to turn it around to show you at the back of the unit it looks like. So it's made of 5mm tough acrylic. We carpet the rear of the pod so it looks like this. We then attach a blind so that you get no light bleed whatsoever. In this instance, step 2 of the instructions, Joe has already cut this to size. So basically what you got to do is you got to scribe the bottom edge of the splashback, and then you've got to scribe the rear edge of the splashback as well. Splashbacks are provided oversized because we don't know how high your worktop's going to be, or indeed where your wardrobe unit starts as well. So having cut the splashback to size, we've put it in the van, make sure everything fits nicely, and now Joe has got his Sikaflex 221 ready. So we're going to apply the Sikaflex to the areas on the back of the splashback. Nice healthy bead on each area. It's done the side behind on the inside of the B pillar, and now we're running a bead down the top end of the aperture as well. We run another bead down the inside of the C pillar. Nice healthy application here. A couple of 50 pence size blobs here, and what you'll find is that when you push the splashback into place, these blobs here will then increase in size. So that's it, all done, all bonded, all ready to go. Got our Sikaflex all the way around here, and now this is ready to put into the vehicle. He's already sized it up so he knows that it fits, and now you can see that the top left hand corner of this fits perfectly. So just firming up on the board, pressing it in, making sure that that Sikaflex is well grounded and you've got contact throughout the board. Sikaflex takes ideally about 24 hours to go off, so you've got to leave it in place. Now it's got excellent grab strength qualities as Sikaflex, so you probably find that it can stay in its current position, but there you go, instant results. And that's your splashback in place.